Welcome back, my people. Those video clips was from my campus, me moving in and stuff like that, but I couldn't upload because my phone broke and yada yada, and then it was just too much. I wanted to adjust to school, but yeah, let's get to it. As you can see, this is a deep wave 13x6 lace frontal wig, and free shipping and all that, and it's not gonna break your pockets. Here is showing you the different lengths. It only has one color. I got 20-inch. 118.03 was what I paid, so yeah, it was about like 100 and some change, but it was good. Free shipping. Comes in this bag. It's cute, whatever. Don't mind my scarf. I got my Meeks under here. I'm not trying to show y'all my Meeks. The band, a support band, you know, you put it in the back of your head like that to secure that wig. My sister sell lashes too. My birth sister. I'm a tag her Instagram. Clips and lashes. They kind of smell. Just a little bit though. They don't smell too bad. They don't stink. They got a little stench. So everything. This is the inside. Ooh, she falling. Some of you may know that I make my own lip gloss, so follow me on Instagram at KaiGlossy. I get into it.
2 hours later.
First things first, grab you some Got2b glue, the black one, not the yellow one, because the white one makes you flaky on the edges. You don't want that. Just rub it all around the hairline perimeter. A nice thin coat. Setting, but put it on cool, because if you put it on warm, it's just gonna melt it, and you want it to be dry. Then you take your Got2b glue hairspray, dry it again for like a minute or so. It was still a little sticky, so you want it to be dry enough for you to cut it without it falling back. Don't mind my stocking cap, it got snagged when I put it on, but it's still gonna work the same. Now, if you have a stocking cap like mine that's not close to your skin color, just grab you some concealer, nothing extra, yada yada. Just a little squirt, and then you dab it on there, just so your parts could look natural. just realigning and making sure my wig is straight, because once you start parting it and cutting it and stuff, and you take it off and put it back on, it's gonna be crooked. So just make sure it's straight the first time. for the beginners, you're gonna want to cut your lace in threes so you can glue down each part by section so you don't make it lumpy. OD'd with the hairspray and the gel. It was still a little wet and I did not feel like holding the blow dryer no more. I was being mad lazy, so I'll put the scarf on for like 10 minutes and be back. You're going to want to be really careful with. I don't even like cutting the hair, but it came over my head too much, so I had to cut it a little bit. Just cut around your earlobe. Don't cut directly around it because then it's going to be too short. Leave a little bit, like probably like 3 centimeters, so you could just tuck behind your ear. Nobody's going to notice it. Don't be afraid of the shed. Obviously it's shedding because I just cut it.